Hello everyone, how are you? Hope you everyone fine. Today we have just talk about that basic of information technology part third by me. Our today's topic is software. It means today we have just talk about software. Software is what? Okay, and why we use the software and software why necessary. So first of all, you just understand is that the word is program, okay, and it's become through this set of instructions, okay. It comes from the set of instructions. Set of instructions build a program just make a software, okay. So you can say that the collection of software, the collection of program are known as a software, okay. Here is some things today we have just I zoom to you, you will see that there is some problem. I resolve it. Yes, so I hope you everyone see this type of graph. The thing is this is software, okay, and it's having some lines and just in down lines. This one is application software branch, this one is system software branch, and in this system software is also just attached with the system utility software. So if anybody can say that a software is how much types, so there is only two types, okay, because this is the part of this is the part of this. So application and system software, this is two type of the software, okay. Now we have just gone to understand about it. The first type of software, I think the image is not is clear, but I told you what is the content over here, but you keep your book. The application software, okay. So why the application softwares are built? Suppose that we are making our slide and I representing some things through these pictures. So that is possible through when we should use a applications, okay. So basically applications are used to complete a specific task those user required that task is complete through these applications, okay. So now we have just talk about the thing is some useful application softwares like that word processing, spreadsheet, and database management softwares. So word processing, you know that where you able to make a documents, okay. Word processing is a type of software where you make the documents, you able to write the words, okay. So there are some name those you have just seen over here: Microsoft Word, Word Star, OpenOffice Writer. These are the softwares by which you have to what to do, you have to write your documents. Another is application, okay. So what you understand about that application? I think the applications in spreadsheet mode, okay. So application in spreadsheet mode, you all of you know that these type of grid lines make a sheet, okay. The collections of sheet is known as वर्कशीट, ओके। तो जो शीट्स होती है वो टेबल टाइप के डेटा को बनाने के लिए उपयोग में लाई जाती है। डेटाबेस मैनेजमेंट सॉफ्टवेयर इज व्हाट kind of software? So this is the kind of built the records, okay, build the record, these types of contents where you able to keep table, where you able to keep form, where you able to keep report, okay, where you able to just search a query. So where is table and form, report and query included, that types of software is DBMS software. Okay, database software. Now we just talk about that some customized package. So customized package software which are just designed especially for a special purpose. Okay, like that tally. Okay, नेक्स्ट इज सॉफ्ट सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर. देखो सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर को समझना बहुत ही ईजी है. यू नो दैट अ कंप्यूटर इज़ नेवर ओपन विदाउट एनी ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. अ कंप्यूटर इज़ नेवर ओपन without any operating systems, and operating system is a part of system software. Okay, उसी को सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर भी कहते हैं. फॉर दैट if anybody can just talk to you on which operating system you have to learn in your school, so you can say that I am using the Windows 10, Windows 7. Okay, easily, because Windows 7 and Windows 10 is the name of operating systems. So here is the two types, those are given. Just first is operating system, second is language processors, and here is the first is a start language processors. You know that language processor, computer is not understand your things, because computer is understand only machine language 0 and 1, but your language is ABCD, Hindi and Telugu, Marathi, etc. types of language you have, but computer is understand only 0 and 1. So your language to convert 0 and 1, which medium, and you are just entered through which medium, your language. So there is a two types of things, HLL and LLL. Okay, so HLL it means high level language, LLL it means low level language. There are two types of language in computer literacy. Okay, so the conversation of high level to low level is just doing by the language processor. Okay, next, yes, next is special purpose application software. Special purpose application software. I hope you know that when you are using some other, it means some interesting softwares that is helpful for building your minds, that is all called the special purpose software. Let us we have just check about it. Okay, I think this image is totally darkable, but I will tell you what is the content about it. Like that the first, the second and the third, the fourth, and the go on is not visible over there, but you just listen to me what I said to you. Game is another resource, another things to entertainment in computers. So game is another special purpose. If you are in a hospital, so in a hospital record maintenance of the patients, you should use another types of softwares. Okay, if you are in a banking, so in your banking you should use to another types of softwares. And if you are just organize a company, and in the company you will be maintaining the accounting system, so you should use to the tally and another systems. So these are some special work those we have to just complete through this special features application softwares. Okay, now the next is we have just talk about the mobile application. ठीक है, इतना सब होने के बाद से आते हैं मोबाइल एप्लीकेशंस पे. ठीक है, तो मोबाइल एप्लीकेशन आर कॉमनली नोन एज मोबाइल ऐप. ऐप कहते हैं, इट इज़ इंट्रोड्यूस्ड बाय एप्पल फॉर iOS मोबाइल फोन्स. मोबाइल एप्लीकेशंस आर स्पेशली मीन टू द, देखो कई सारे OS हैं, जनरली तुम्हारे जानकारी में जानते ही हो. एक एंड्रॉयड ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम होता है, ठीक है, एक iOS होता है, एक विंडोज़ का फ़ोन होता है, एक ब्लैकबेरी का होता है, और भी कई सारे दुनिया भर के फ़ोन होते हैं. ठीक है, तो उन सभी के OS में अलग अलग एप्लीकेशन लर्न करते हैं, बट द टाइप ऑफ दिस एप्लीकेशन यही होगा, जो उन सबों का टाइप होगा एप्लीकेशन का, वो सब यही होगा. ठीक है, जैसे आर्ट एंड डिज़ाइन, कॉमिक, इवेंट, हेल्थ एंड फिटनेस, मेडिकल, फोटोग्राफी, टूल्स, ओके, ब्यूटी, डेटिंग, दुनिया भर का एप्लीकेशन। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट बात करते हैं द वर्किंग फॉर्म ऑफ ओएस। सो ये हो गया आप यूज़र, यू विल बी इंटरेक्ट विद द एप्लीकेशन, बट एप्लीकेशन इज इंटरेक्ट विद द ओएस एंड ओएस इज इंटरेक्ट विद द हार्डवेयर। ठीक है, तो ये प्रोसेस है, ये चेन है, इसे याद रखेंगे। The next is a file systems. Okay, before the file system you should understand this figure because this is very necessary. User, application software, operating system, and this is kernel. Okay, and after that hardware. So we have just firstly understand what is the kernel. Okay, so kernel is the core part of an OS that does all the major activities such as memory allocation and CPU time and what should be given over here, scheduling, etc. The operating system kernel helps to initializing the booting functions such as checking memory. It allocates the deallocation memory space which allows software to run. तो कुल मिला जुला के कह सकते हैं कि कर्नल का एक विशेष वर्क होता है मेमोरी मैनेजमेंट में, क्योंकि एप्लीकेशंस कहाँ इंस्टॉल होंगी तो उनकी साइज को कैसे मेंटेन करना है, हाउ कैन वी जस्ट एडजस्ट द कंप्यूटर मेमोरी विथ एन आवर ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम विथ आवर एन एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर दैट इज मैनेज थ्रू द कर्नल। नेक्स्ट जो आता है वो होता है डिवाइस ड्राइवर। डिवाइस ड्राइवर इज अ वर्ड, suppose that you have to purchase a game machine but game machine is not loaded to in your computer, so you should use through device driver of that game machine to install your operating system. You will be able to use it. Okay, the next is a file system. So in the file system, you know that files is what? Files is a collections of data in organized manner, unorganized manner, कैसे भी मैनर में हो डेटा आप रखते हैं कंप्यूटर में तो वो फाइल्स होती हैं। ठीक है, तो फाइल्स को कैच करना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है। हाउ कैन वी अंडरस्टैंड अबाउट दैट फाइल्स? सो फाइल्स के एक्सटेंशंस भी कुछ होते हैं। फैट मीन्स फाइल एलोकेशन टेबल। ठीक है, कॉमनली यूज्ड to operating system, what used in pen drive, flash drive, okay, and NTFS. So NTFS, new technology file system, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट विंडोज़ की जो फाइलें होती हैं, एंड EXT, extended file system, that's used in a Linux. How can we understand the file is that? Because the file is understand through the file extension. Suppose that OpenFS document, then .odt. Okay, suppose that HTML document, then आपका क्या हो जाएगा HTML document, then HTML. OpenOffice spreadsheet, then ODS. OpenOffice database, then ODB. Okay, OpenOffice presentation, ODP. So these are some extensions by which you have understand that file is which type. जैसे अभी कहा जाए कि पिक्चर फाइल का एक्सटेंशन क्या होगा, तो suppose that the file name of picture is RAM, so the extension is JPG. JPG is the extension of picture file. Okay, let us understand. The thing is that those you have learned through the previous, you should be complete over here. So today's complete this quiz. Okay, this quiz having asked some question to you, you will be just shout out what is the correct answer and complete it. Okay, till then, thank you.